1955 Citroen Traction Avant Light 15. This one's a desirable big boot saloon. Super history, solid chassis and many original features. This is a great opportunity to finish off a stalled project of a well-known car. It's got just 3 former keepers, including Fred Annells, who is the traction aficionado and honorary life member of the Owners Club. So a lot of the hard work has already been done by Mark's specialists. It has been fitted with an expensive replacement rebuilt engine and gearbox from Steve Thompson, again an expert in the field. As well as the rebuilt engine and gearbox, it's got a new electronic distributor, 12-volt alternator conversion, and the vendor suspects it's also had a new fuel tank, exhaust and drive shaft. They also report the chassis and body appear to be in sound order. Now these actually have a monocoque chassis, so generally the chassis is gone, the car's gone, but this one looks good. To assist with the project, it also comes complete with a full workshop manual, and whilst the car has been partially disassembled to start the project, all the parts that have been removed during the earlier stages are supplied with the car. There's some surface rust to the body, particularly around the door bottoms and the lower front wings. The vendor reports that most or all of the panels will require some repair, although these are reported to be available from the Owners Club for around about £45 each. The wiring loom also appears to be in poor condition and will need attention. Great opportunity to complete a very rewarding project to your own standard with the assurance of a fully rebuilt engine and gearbox that have covered, we believe, 0 miles. This is offered in our weekly online auction from Thursday the 20th to Thursday the 27th of February with a guide of £3,000 to £5,000. Please do head over to the website for more information, manorparkclassicsonline.com.